Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to stop share live location on WhatsApp. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. WhatsApp live location features allows them to control whether and how long to share their live location. They can stop sharing live location with other contacts at any time. So, what if you want to stop your live location on WhatsApp? There is two way. First way, you can choose the contact that you want to stop your live location. You can see there is a location you shared. If you want to stop, you can just tap on stop sharing here. So the live location sharing will be stopped. But if you share your live location to many contacts and you don't want to you open one by one the contact that you send the live location, you can just do this way. You can tap on the up right corner, the three dots over here. Now you can tap on settings, tap on privacy. You can scroll down and you can see there is an option, live location under the groups. You can tap on that. You can see your where you share your live location on this list, and you can stop sharing by tap on stop sharing. Now you can tap on stop. So for all the contacts that you've shared your live location will be stopped. So that is how to stop share live location on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.